Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jules Acompanado. If you're new to the channel, I review Tesla accessories and also some other travel videos. But today we are going to review the Basenor HEPA filter for my 2023 Model Y. So since I bought this, I took delivery in December of 2022. I have not changed the filter yet, and that's the problem with Teslas, is that they smell, especially after the rain. And sometimes I do smell that. It's like a sour smelling, and it's perfect timing because I'm getting ready to replace it because it's like almost 2 years now. And Tiffany from Basenor reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested to review this filter. So we are going to unbox this one, and then we will install it. I'll show you how to install, and I'll give you my thoughts after we do that. Okay, so this is the package. Nothing. So I got some labels in there. So it says Basenor. And by the way, if you visit their website, you will see different Tesla accessories for exterior, interior. So if you want to spruce up your ride, you go visit their website. So this one is specifically for Model Y and Model 3. And it's got two pieces. And what else? What comes with this pry tool. And there is also an Allen wrench, but like a hexagon type of screw to unscrew one of the screws, so you can remove the bottom of the glove compartment. So this is the name. I'll put a link down below so you can check it out. And if you wanna, they are running different discounts right now. Okay, so let's go over here and let's see, install this one. It comes with a user manual. So let's take a look. The user manual. So first, you can check it out. There's a installation video. You got your screws there, the pry tool, and then there are some step-by-step installation procedure on how to do it. So you basically just remove what's in there and then replace it with this one. And this one, it says air inlet on this side. So there are some charcoal particles in there that would help eliminate odor. So that would be good for your car. So you will be smelling fresh every time inside the cabin. All right, guys, first things first, we have to turn off your AC before you change the filter. So you go here in the menu and then just swipe this up and then turn it off. There you go. All right, guys, I have installed a last fit kick protector right here. So typically your car has a carpet type material in here. So you just basically remove this one. If you want to check this out, I'll put a link down below. I reviewed this. This is a last fit product. So this is how it looks like. So it will not dirty your carpet siding here. After you remove, if you happen to have that sidekick protector, this one right here, it's like a clip. So you use your pry tool, this one, and then there's just a clip, and then just remove this. There you go. You will hear a snap. That means it's got dislocated. Here you go. So this is the first time I'm doing this. That's why it's so tight. There you go. Keep going. All right, after you remove the side panel, just put that on the side. All right, guys, after you loosen the 4 clips, you remove the back part. So try not to remove this front panel. You remove the back part. That is where your speaker is. You don't have to unhook this one. Just leave it alone. What we need to do is we need access to this one right here. So use that screw that comes with the package, with the filter. Just unscrew the bottom. There's no screw on the top right here. Just the bottom. Unscrew this. So you unscrew that. Then you will have access to the filter. So this is the filter. Just pull. This is the old one. This is the original filter that comes with the car when I took delivery 2022 December. So there are 2 filters on this car. Okay, so as you can see, this is the old filter. Pretty nasty. Okay, so this is original, and now we will be installing the Basenor. So black side facing the car, and then the white is facing the front. Okay, so there are 2. Make sure you have the ribbon as your base point. Put it inside. Okay, one down. Then we'll add a second one. Just like that. All right. Then you put this back. Align it. Oops, be careful. The screw will not go to any crevices. So just align this and screw back on. You don't have to really tight it, just enough that it closes the gap. There you go. That's it. So that's secure now. Now that you have put the 2 filters in place, you screw it back. It's time to put this panel back on. So as you can see right here, and this one, this is your guide. Okay, so that would sit right there. All right, guys, one thing I want to show to you is that make sure that when you put this on, if this dropped, make sure this is not that position. Make sure it's open position so you can put this in place. Okay, because if it's like that, you will hardly put it back in. So just make sure this is in this position, and then put this back on that right there, just like that. This one. So there are 4 clips. Okay, everything's secure. All 4 screw. So next one is to put back the side. Move your seat a little backwards so you have good access to this one. And it should put back in place. And this one I'm gonna put back also my last fit side kickback protector. All right, guys, now that you have completed the installation or the replacement of your filter, turn it back on, turn the air on, and voila, smells fresh and nice in here. I hope this video tutorial helped you installing your or replacing your air filter. Don't get intimidated. It's very easy. Takes me about maybe 15-20 minutes. So just follow the direction and you will definitely feel and tell the difference, the freshness of the air cabin. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks Basenor for contacting me and sending me this air filter. Check them out here down below on my link. And if you have any questions, let me know. And if this video is helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.